Hey guys, welcome back to Tech and Code with Kavya. In today's video, we are going to simplify something you hear a lot in tech, APIs. By the end of this video, you will exactly know what is an APIs, why it is important, and how you will use APIs every single day without even realizing it. Let's go. First of all, we will clear the concept of APIs. API stands for Application Programming Interface. It's a sound complicated right now, but I will clear it in simple words. So think of it, you will going to a restaurant as you tell the waiter what you want and the waiter takes your order and go to kitchen. Kitchen will prepare the food and the waiter will come on and serve the food to you. So that's exactly the API's work in technology. It acts as an middleman between the software and you. So here are some real world examples that you already use APIs. First of all, we will discuss the example Google Maps in your app. When you book a ride on Uber or an app, use the Google Map APIs to show your location. Weather apps, they will use weather APIs to fetch live infos. Login with Google and Facebook. When you click on APIs button, let's say login button, then account will create. So every time when you talk to each other, that's thanks to APIs. Why the APIs are important? APIs are powerful because they will save your time, connect services, and power modern technology. Save time. Developers does not build everything from scratch. They will use the APIs concept and APIs. They will use APIs keys based on their development process. Connect services. Apps can share data and features easily. In short, API is the glue of modern internet. So let's take a code example. Imagine you are building a weather app without APIs. You will need to satellites collecting data and processes by yourself. But with the help of APIs, you can just call the weather APIs instantly. They will get focus. If you enjoy this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel Tech and Code with Kavya for more easily tech explanation. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for my daily hustle of the blogs behind the scene fun. So I will see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.